Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Zulurzel store, their 13 or 14 or 15 inch universal lid for oversized pots, pans, and skillets. Extra large, you see how large is compared to my hand. This is tempered glass with heat resistant silicone edge. This you put on real simple, comes in the box, you just screw it on, it's all stainless steel. I have a real powerful magnet right here, I can test that. So there's absolutely no attraction whatsoever using this magnet on that piece there or this piece. So it's not going to rust. This is tempered glass, going to last forever. Look at this nice thick silicone ridge. This product gets excellent customer ratings, and I can see why. It allows you to look inside your food while you're cooking it. So why would you need such a large cover? Well, I have some really large pans. I have some pasta boiling pans that I just don't have a good cover for. And it gets really annoying when you don't cover them because the steam comes out, it boils over. This is great for this. But I also wanted to show you the pan I'm really going to be using it on primarily is this Tramontina Professional 14-inch nonstick pan. And I highly recommend you get this also. I've had this for about a year now. This thing really is amazing. They put an extra thick coating on here because of the fact that it's so large. There's more flex. Comes with a silicone handle on there with a hole so you can hang it. Really, really great. So the beauty of this is this pan has no cover for it, but this lines up and fits beautifully on that pan and creates a perfect seal so that if you're cooking something, you know, a lot of times I'll cook potatoes or omelets, and when you cover it, it causes the steam to rise and it causes the omelet to cook much better. And or if you're making potatoes or you're steaming broccoli or cauliflower or beans, this is excellent for that. This is also crafted with premium food grade silicone. You have to worry about anything leaching into your food. And this is rated for 450 degrees or 230 degrees centigrade, the silicone piece right here. And of course the glass will go even higher. But and then this crystal clear cooking, there's no distortion. You can see right through there with that tempered glass. And you also notice it has a little steam port on there, so that if there is any extra steam, not too oversized, it'll work great. This is also excellent for making popcorn. Use this pan and you make popcorn. The steam allows the popcorn not to be tough, and this allows you to see when the kernels are all finished popping. So I'm really impressed with the overall quality of this product. It's just a really good design overall, and it just works really well. I've already tried it. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.